Okay, y'all tell me what you're doing.
I'm trying to build a snowman.
Zach, are you working on the middle layer? His base needs to be a little bit fatter, don't you think?
Not much.
Feels pretty good out here, doesn't it?
It's really not bad at all.
Haddon, what are they doing? Zach, just chunk that at my mom's head.
It's kind of hard to make it smooth.
Haddon, what are you doing, babe?
We're going to make 3 balls or 2? One more?
No, maybe just make each of those a little bigger. Right?
What, this one? The head?
And the bottom too, maybe, or else it won't support the... All right, are you building a snowman?
Where are you going?
Come back.
He's a bumpy looking guy.